Introducing the 1088 Atreides, a uniquely styled fixed blade designed to be your reliable companion in the great outdoors. With its rugged construction, comfortable grip, and bold sci-fi inspired profile, the Atreides is built to handle demanding chopping and cutting tasks with ease. This fixed blade features a 5.7-inch tanto-style blade made from tough 65 mm steel and finished with a durable black powder coat for added protection. The full flat grind provides excellent slicing performance, while the full tang construction ensures durability for heavy-duty use. Jimping along the spine enhances control, and a lanyard hole integrated into the tang adds versatility. The handle is crafted from black polypropylene with a black rubber overmold, offering a secure, cushioned grip that feels solid in hand, even during extended use. A custom sheath is included for safe and convenient storage. Made from black polypropylene, it features a nylon belt loop, retention strap, and a drain hole for outdoor use. The sheath includes molded retention that interfaces with the glass-filled nylon portion of the handle, protecting the rubber overmold from wear. It's held together with steel rivets placed to be tech-lock compatible, giving you flexibility and carry options. Though the sheath is single position, the belt loop and strap are reversible for both left and right-handed carry. Measuring 11.4 inches in overall length, the 1088 Atreides was proudly designed by the Kershaw Originals team. Whether you're camping, hiking, or tackling serious bushcraft tasks, this knife is built for the job. With its durable construction and futuristic design, the 1088 Atreides is a standout tool for any outdoor kit.